Okay. So this is our first conversions. We will start with the binary number system, and in this video we will learn about how to convert binary number system into a decimal base. A number is from binary to the number in a decimal. Binary is a number with base 2. Its base is 2. We'll convert it into a base 10. That is decimal. It has numbers from 0 to 9 as we discussed in our last video. So let's start by an example. Like I have a binary number, let's say 1, 1, 1, let's say 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then 1. Let's say this is our example number 1. So how would I convert it into a decimal number system? So I'll start by taking the power. This is 2 raised to power 0. 2. Why 2? Because it's base 2. The, the binary number system is base 2 number system. Now this one would be 2 raised to power 1. This would be 2 raised to power 2. This would be 2 raised to power 3. This one would be 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 7. This would be 2 raised to power 8. And the last one would be this 2 raised to power 0. We would take it and multiply it with the number above. The number it represents. It represents 1. We'll multiply it with 1. Then add. Then we have this 2 raised to power 1 next. 2 raised to power 1 is assigned to the number 1. And then we add. The next is 2 raised to power 2 assigned to the number 0. Oh, sorry, here it would come 2. It is assigned to the 0. And then I'll add 2 raised to power 3, which is assigned to the 0 again. Oh, sorry. 2 raised to power 3, which is assigned to the value of 1. Then 2 raised to power 4, assigned to the value 0. 2 raised to power 5, assigned to the value of 0. 2 raised to power 6. Similarly, we'll continue this till 2 raised to power 9, assigning the values. So the next we do is we cancel out the ones that are multiplied to 0, because 0 multiplied to anything would be 0. We'll cancel out the 0 ones to make our process easier. 2 raised to power 0 or anything raised to power 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 plus 2 raised to power 1 is 2 multiplied by 1. Then we have 2 raised to power 3 is 2 raised to power 3 equals to 8. 8 multiplied by 1. Next we have 2 raised to power 7. We'll use a calculator. Simply 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 7 is 128 multiplied by 1. 2 raised to power 8 is 256 multiplied by 1. And the next is 2 raised to power 9, which is equals to 512 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied 1, 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 128 plus 256 plus 512. Now we'll use a calculator. Where we'll use a calculator to add to 512 from to 256 to 128 to 8 to 2 and to 1. Answer is 907 in base number 10, that is decimal. Let's take an easier example of it. Let's say I have another number that is 1101. Easier example. This would be 2 raised to power 0. This would be 2 raised to power 1. This would be 2 raised to power 2. And the last one would be equal to 2 raised to power 3. Now we'll multiply them as we did here. 2 raised to power 0 multiplied by 1 plus 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 0. Then we have 2 raised to power 2, which would be multiplied by 1, and then we have 2 raised to power 3, which would also be multiplied with 1. So this 2 raised to power 1 multiplied 0 would be cancelled out, and we'll calculate the rest. Anything power 0 is 1, then 2 raised to power 2 is 4, and 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 1 plus 4 plus 8 equals 13. 1, 3 in power base 10.